Traction control. From smart systems to expert support, our suite of products and procedures is built to stop your transaction reporting from sliding out of control. We help to ensure that your transaction reporting is accurate, complete, and submitted on time. Let's discover how Traction can help keep your reporting on track. What measures does Traction implement to help clients achieve accurate transaction reporting? First, alerts. Traction has a system where we set maximum notional amounts per currency. An alert is triggered where that limit has been breached for any of the day's trades. Second, symbols table. Traction provides clients with a weekly symbols table via ShareFile to help ensure correct lot size multipliers are applied and prevent errors. Our key processes include providing handback files, offering clear guidance, conducting regular monitoring, and reviews. To begin with, handback files are provided to Traction's clients to review submissions carried out on their behalf. This enables clients to identify and review corrected errors. For guidance, clients can access materials about the transaction reporting process, how to interpret their handback files, and common errors. These resources, along with updates on regulatory changes, are available on Traction's website, through regular newsletters, and in the client ShareFile system. Traction conducts daily internal meetings across departments to discuss run reports, issues, anomalies, logic, and development progress, alongside a regular systems review process. Unusual or complex matters are referred to Traction's regulatory team to identify whether there is a potential issue or non-compliance. Identifying and rectifying errors or omissions. Traction conducts regular validations and daily report reviews to identify and rectify errors or unusual data. If there are repeated patterns of errors, our processing team collaborates with our developers to improve procedures. Otherwise, our client services team will engage with clients to ensure accurate data uploads for smooth trade repository submissions. Traction holds internal daily meetings and regular system reviews to resolve client issues and ensure compliance with global trade reporting rules, even for fields not flagged by trade repositories or approved reporting mechanisms. Traction, therefore, has several levels of check of the relevant issues or queries present for our clients. How frequently does Traction review data integrity? Is there any additional oversight processes or safeguards used to ensure compliance with trade reporting obligations? Traction utilizes its regulatory team's assistance to help ensure that the information and guidance we provide to our clients is correct and aligned with regulatory requirements. We ensure that our guidance in relation to regulatory changes or industry issues are updated as soon as required for our clients, and also published on our website. Stay ahead of the curve, and let Traction Control keep your reporting accurate, complete, and submitted on time. Contact Traction to see how we can help simplify your trade reporting. Traction, Trade Reporting Simplified.